Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID email and password because you'll sign in and verify changes. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac. Make sure iCloud and Apple Music are active. If you're using two-factor authentication, get your trusted device or phone ready to receive codes. Next, go to the top of Settings and tap your name to access Apple ID details. This is where the email update begins, so don't skip verification steps. Once in Apple ID settings, tap Name, Phone, Email to manage contact addresses. This directly controls Apple Music sign-in. Tap Edit next to Reachable At and choose Add Email or Change Email Address. Enter the new address and follow prompts. Apple sends a verification code to the new email. Open that inbox and enter the code immediately to confirm ownership. Make sure the new address isn't already associated with another Apple ID. If it is, you'll need to free it first. After verification, sign out of Apple Music and iCloud, then sign back in with your updated Apple ID to refresh subscriptions and purchases. Once signed back in, inspect family sharing and Apple Music subscription details to ensure continuity. Change propagation can take minutes. If you don't receive the verification code, check spam, resend the code, and confirm the email spelled correctly. If problems persist, use Apple Support Diagnostics. They can unlink conflicting accounts or guide account recovery, so you can finish securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.